In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an overlay in Kapwing. Whether you're putting together a professional presentation or just a fun project for social media, understanding how to add an overlay can really make your content stand out. Let's dive in and walk through each step of the process to ensure you have all the tools you need to create a polished final product. First, you'll want to open Kapwing Studio. If you're starting fresh with a new project, you'll want to click to do just that. However, if you already have a video project that you're working on, you can easily open the existing project to add overlays to what you've already created. Once you're in the studio, the first thing you'll need to do is upload your base content. This is usually the main video or image that will serve as your background or base layer. Simply upload your media from your device, and you'll see it populate the canvas in Kapwing's intuitive interface. Now that your base layer is set, it's time to add your overlay content. Overlays can be any additional videos, images, or graphics that you want to appear on top of your base content. To do this, upload the image or video file you want to overlay. If you don't have something specific in mind, don't worry. Kapwing has an asset library full of images, GIFs, and other visual elements that you can incorporate into your project. Take advantage of these resources to find the perfect addition to your content. Once your overlay content is uploaded, it's time to get hands-on with positioning and sizing the overlay on your canvas. Start by dragging the overlay layer onto the canvas. To adjust the size, use the corner handles found on the overlay box. This lets you make it larger or smaller, depending on the look you're going for. When it comes to position, you can move your overlay to wherever you want it, whether that's in the corner, off to the side, or right in the center of the screen. This step is all about making sure the visual elements appear exactly where you want them. The final piece of the puzzle is adjusting your timeline to ensure your overlay appears at precisely the right moments during your video. On the timeline, which runs horizontally across the bottom of the studio, you'll see where your overlay layers are situated as separate tracks above the base video. Trim or adjust the duration of your overlay by clicking and dragging it, so it starts and ends at your desired times. This level of control allows you to make your video dynamic and engaging, with overlays that complement the base content rather than distract from it. And there you have it. Overlaying content in Kapwing is as easy as just a few straightforward steps. Now it's your turn to practice these steps and get creative with your video projects. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.